Oh, welcome guys to the tutorial info channel. In front of me is OPPO A15s, and in this video I am going to show you how to create home screen folder on this device. Alright, so to create home screen folder, firstly we have to choose the first app that we want to have in our folder. For example, this one, we have to hold on it and then we have to drop it on another app that we want to have in our folder. And here is our folder. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.